Great mind discuss ideas. Average mind discuss events. Small mind discuss people. With this marvelous time to you all. My name is Ayush Kushwaha from class 4th. Today I am here to conduct my class assembly. For morning prayer, I would like to call Anjali Kumari and Shreya. Take your prayer position. All of you, take your prayer position. There is God. Please forgive. Now I would like to call Adarsh Yadav for oath. Jai everyone. Take your oath, please. I am honest. I also am. I promise myself. As for good food ever. I wash my hands before eating. I serve food to myself. I help mom in the kitchen. I leave food in the plate. I reach the plate. Thank you for watching. I always cover food with leaves. As for good housekeeping, I make my own bed. Split in the morning. I put dirty clothes, subtract plates for washing, and try to hold them also. I wash my undergarments by myself. I put shoes, socks, soap, etc. properly. I clean the house and toilet. Sometimes, not twice. It's my running sister. And we have them along. As you can study. I respect my teacher. I only study. That means my daily homework. I study on my own. For good sometimes. I stay away. On social life. Thank my parents and teacher. I'm proud of my family. Including my school. They put a great effort on my education. I fulfill their and mindly. Most importantly, I become a good mommy. I'm elder, strong nation. Thanks mom, dad, and teacher for everything. Jai Hind. Which city is known as a pink city? And the answer is correct. For more GK question, I would like to call Archit Yadav. For today's theme is different city, nickname of different cities. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Archit Yadav. Today I am going to ask some GK questions. So the first question is, which city is called the city of pulses? And the answer is correct, Hyderabad. And the second question is, which city is called the city of Diamond Harbor? And the answer is Kolkata. So the third question is, which city is called the city of temples? And the answer is correct, Varanasi. And the fourth question is, which city is called the city of leather? And the answer is wrong. And the correct answer is Kanpur. And the fifth question is, which city is called the city of orange? And the answer is Nagpur. Thank you. Have a nice day. In gentle way, you can shake the world with this. Now I would like to call Abhinav Chandra for thought.
Jai Hind everyone. Myself Abhinav Chandra from class 4th. Today I am here to share a beautiful topic, and the topic is thought is, if you will think, if you consult yourself weak, then you will become weak, and if you consult yourself strong, then you will become strong. Its the meaning is, अब जैसे विचार करेंगे वैसे बन जाएंगे. अगर आप अपने आप को कमजोर मानते हैं तो आप कमजोर बन जाएंगे, और अगर आप अपने आप को ताकतवर मानते हैं तो आप ताकतवर बन जाएंगे. थैंक यू. You can must be change your wish to see in the you can change the world to see it. You can change. You must be change the world with your wish is to see in the world. With this, now I would like to call Soumya Kasharan for English poem. Then everyone, my name is Soumya Kasharan. I read in class 4th. Today I am recite an English poem, and the poem title is recite an English poem, and the poem title is Traffic Rule. Ronnie has a new cycle. He loves to stick and move rounding in circle like a hop looping. He loves to turn and spin. Thin be strong, beat but he thin. Zip zapping, zip zap blooming. With dangers always looming. His parents say safety rules differently pay. Cycle helmet always you must wear. Do you? Ronnie is known as the traffic rules. When can break them? Only fools. Thank you. कुछ तो बात है इन हवाओं में, वरना इन्हें साथ तो पंछियों का भी नहीं मिलता है। इन पंक्तियों के साथ मैं सक्षम को एक हिंदी कविता के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा। सुप्रभात आप सभी को। मेरा नाम सक्षम यादव है। मैं कक्षा 4 अ का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। इसका शीर्षक है पेड़ लगाओ। धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार। आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, अपनी धरती हरित बनाएं। धरती पर हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। पेड़ धरती की शान है, जीवन की मुस्कान है। पेड़ पौधों को पानी दें, जीवन की यही निशानी दें। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम, पेड़ लगाकर जग महकाकर जीवन सुखी बनाएं हम। आओ पेड़ लगाएं हम, आओ पेड़ लगाएं हम। धन्यवाद। Now I would like to call Lakshmi Padrauna for topic. Do you know which day is celebrated on 23rd of December? Okay, I tell you, it is Kisan Diwas. With this, myself Lakshmi Padrauna from class 4th, wishing you a marvelous Jai. Today I am here to deliver a beautiful topic, and the topic is Kisan Diwas. India is known as a country of villages and agriculture surpluses. Almost 50% of the people depend on agriculture for their livelihood. In 2001, the 10th government decided to recognize Chaudhry Charan Singh's contribution to the agriculture sector and welfare of farmers by celebrating their birth anniversary as Kisan Diwas. Since then, 23 has been observed as National Farmers Day. Thank you. Do you know famous badminton player Sania Nehwal has a black belt in karate? For more amazing facts, I would like to call Sohail Ansari. Jai everyone. Myself Sohail Ansari. I am reading in class 4th. Today I am here to share amazing facts with you. Fact number 1. Can you imagine that a lunch can be had as far as 5 miles away? Fact number 2. Just like human fingerprint, zebra's speed pattern is unique. That is, each zebra has a different strip pattern. Fact number 3. The home of ant is made of hills of fine soil, sand or clay. Fact number 4. The motto of the Olympic game is faster, higher, stronger. And the last fact is football is the most attended and watched sport in the world. Thank you. The Book of Nature, written in the language of mathematics. With this, I would like to call Adarsh Singh for table of taking. Jai everyone. My name is Adarsh Singh. I read in class 4th here. Today I will tell a table of 18. 18 1 18, 18 2 36, 18 3 54, 18 4 72, 18 5 90, 18 6 100, 18 7 126, 18 8 144, 18 9 162, 18 10 180. Thank you. With this I am ending my class assembly. Thank you.